Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we can insert blank rows by two ways. First one is select your content by holding Ctrl key one by one, then right click, select insert and make selection of entire row and then click on OK. You will be having blank row after each row. Second way is select your content by holding Shift key, right click, choose insert, select entire row and you are having blank rows just before your content. You can choose any option as per your requirements. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.